What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use remote events. So to demonstrate this quickly, I have a screen GUI with a button, and we're gonna fire two things, one from client side and one where it connects to the server. So filtering enable is a thing that Roblox created to prevent exploiters. So if they execute a script, only that person that executed the script will be able to see it. A client script, of course. So I'm going to show you here. I'm going to add a local script, and we're going to do script.parent.mouse button one click connect function, like that. And then what I'm going to do is game.workspace.Baseplate.BrickColor is equal to BrickColor.New. And I'm just going to take a random color. There we go. Alright, now let's test it out. So that it changes the color. But the thing that's not good is that only the player that executed the script, the client, will be able to see it. So how can we make so everybody can see it? Well, it's simple. So add a remote event and add it into replicated storage, simply. And we're just going to rename it to change color. I already did that, as you can see. Now, inside a server script service, we're going to create another script. I'm going to just rename this one to server script color. So there we go. Now here, we're going to change it. And instead of immediately changing it, we're just going to make a variable for this. So let's call it ColorValue. And then, let's add a local in front. Local ColorValue is equal to that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do game.ReplicatedStorage. So we're basically getting the remote event ReplicatedStorage.ChangeColor. So now we have that. We're going to fire the server. This activates it. And we're going to launch the color value with it. So we will send the color value to the server. There we go. So now we're going to go into our server script. I'm going to clear the print hello world. I'm going to do game.ReplicatedStorage.ChangeColor.onServerEvent connect function. Alright, so in here we're going to have the player and the color value. So we have now fetched the color value and the player from the client. So the player is the person that clicked the button. That's the player that we're gonna get. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do game.workspace. Actually, we can just do workspace.Baseplate.BrickColor is equal to color value. Remember that, because that's the value we sent over. And then we're gonna do plrname is equal to plr.Name. Oh, we need to do a local in front. There we go. And then we're just gonna print here. Print plrname dot has just fired a remote event and changed the base plate color to, and then we're gonna go in a to string color value. There we go. So let's test that out real quick. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna go in and we're gonna play just to test it around, and let's check if it works. And there it works. You can see here Frapster has just fired a remote event and changed the base plate color to something. I'm not gonna try pronouncing that because I probably don't know how. Alder, I don't know. I'm not gonna try. I just tried. Anyways, let's try now to change the color to something random, and you'll see how it works. So BrickColor dot in here in the client script, before it was BrickColor new some color, into BrickColor.Random now, and you'll see that it will still send the data over and it will still work. So let's test that out. You can see here it changed it to light reddish violet. Now change to smoky gray, lily white, pastel blue, BR yellowish green, bright orange, and it changes to cyan. So that is how you do it. I'll leave the script in the description for you to take. This was just a demonstration. You can use them for literally whatever you want. This is just a way to demonstrate it. So basically, a client fires a remote event that's in the game. A server will pick that up, and you can fire a specific code. This can be used for a client if they click a GUI or something like that, or buy something. Then they will be able to receive something in game too. So it can be used for pretty much everything. That's from a client to server. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it didn't take too long. A lot of you people have been asking me if I can create a mute boombox, and I will be doing that very soon. Just saying, I'll be doing that very soon. Anyways, see you in the next video.